In that time, I've built and trained a lot of neural networks. I've built a team that trains neural networks, and I've built but not trained five small natural networks that run around on the ground around me, my children. I was working in the realm of QA, and I always thought automation was like the future of being able to free up quality engineers' time and give them that ability back to be able to spend more of their time on bug seeking behavior. But the industry kind of drifted towards automation is QA rather than automation frees up QA.
Everyone thinks you're just ChatGPT's AI, but it's been around for 50 years. So
You went from pushing the rock up the hill of saying, "Hey, everyone, AI is cool. We need to be using it," to every customer coming to me and saying, "Why aren't you using enough AI?" I do have a hypothesis, and I'm willing to be proven wrong on this, that a lot of the early AI companies are going to find that value is so easily created, the competition will easily emerge, and that the customers will be disloyal. If you can't tolerate hallucinations in your use case, you shouldn't be using AI. And not just like, there's also this debate in the AI community at the moment. Are hallucinations just an artifact of the current language model architecture? Will the next architecture get rid of those hallucinations? What's the hallucination-free architecture? We do use hallucinations, which is everything, productively, to generate alternative flows, to imagine exterior circumstances. So in the testing world, it's incredibly useful. We just make sure that when we finally wrap that test case up and say, now that we've built the automation using AI, the automation runs deterministically. So it builds a script with AI, and then the script is what runs. And it's also fine for the AI to heal the script as well, because that's also subject to human review. There's an unknown point at which the agent starts to drown in options. It's a bit like, me when I'm trying to buy something from Randall's. Now, I only recently moved over to Texas, so I'm still getting used to all the different shops that are here. But you go in and you're like, oh, there's 700 options for barbecue sauce here. So, then you start assessing the different value. You're like, which one do I really want? Agent's kind of a bit like that with tools. It's sort of going, do I want to search web, or do I want to scan web, or do I want to navigate web page? Like, which one of these do I need? We already know how to motivate an AI to do a task in the way that we want it to, and the way is via psychological manipulation. That you can threaten it, you can cajole it, you can bribe it, and all of these work